Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Check it out, check it out. We're back here in the ocean for the second time in a long time, y'all. I'm out here doing some fishing for some salmons. I'm out here with Mike. Check him out, he's right here.
What's going on, guys?
Captain Mike.
How's it going?
He's doing great. We're fishing out here in the ocean, the Pacific Ocean. We just launched out of Berkeley. We passed the Golden Gate, y'all. And this is what it looks like out here. It was choppy coming down, man. Big old waves, big old giant waves, probably about 5-6 feet. And we're back out here, y'all. This is what it looks like. We just put our lines down there. We started trolling. A few boats out here. Got the radio on. Remember, when you guys come out here, you guys gotta make sure you guys have a CB radio that's marine. And also you guys gotta have a flare, just in case. This is what it looks like, y'all. We got life jackets on, just to be safe. Yep. Just trying to make it out here, y'all. Trying to survive. It's rough out here. Ain't nothing like the Feather River, y'all. I know I'm the king out there, but out here, nah, you gotta respect all this right here. Yeah, but stay tuned, let's see what we get on, right? I don't know if you guys can see that, fellas, but the boats are starting to show up. People are coming in, people are already here. We found all the boats, everybody's going around in circles. We haven't heard anything on the radio, anybody caught any fish. All the fish are still sleeping. They were out partying last night. Last night we had a full moon, y'all. Most of the fish were out partying last night. So they're out, they still sleep. They're trying to, you know, get some rest from all that partying they did last night. So we're gonna wake them up. We're going straight through the middle where everybody's going around in circles. If you guys can see, there's boats to my right, boats to my left. There are boats everywhere, literally. This is the spot, y'all. We seen a couple dolphins already jumping, so that's good. They're chasing the bait fish, so that's a good sign. Now we're searching for that bait. Yeah, but still, it's about what time is it, Mike, right now?
8:30.
It's about 8:30 in the morning. We've been trolling for a while, about 15 to say maybe 15 to 30 minutes. We've marked some fish already, and this is what it looks like right here right now. I did a radio mic check out here, see if anybody has caught anything, but nobody has caught anything. So it's still good right now. It's about to pick up. 9 o'clock is when the good bite comes up. That's when we landed this fish the other day right here. But yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. Look, I got my boat right here, handling well. We're out here, y'all. I'm feeling all right. Feeling good right now. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
I'm gonna say, man, I'm getting ready to throw up. You gotta start somewhere, though, right?
Yeah.
Try it out. Throw up and throw up.
Yeah, it's part of it, you know. It's part of the fun of the game, y'all. If you guys want to do this, I recommend you guys do some boating. Like, start doing some boating during the weekends so you guys get used to it. I think that's what I'm doing pretty well because I do a lot of the boating stuff. I'm always out and about, y'all. You guys see my videos, you guys see all the stuff I put up on Instagram and all that stuff. You guys see me, I'm always out and about. So yeah, I love this. I like this, man. It makes me feel good being out here. Look at all these people out here. Somebody's about to hook on right now. We're gonna hear something on the radio. Got a couple charter boats, personal boats out here. I think we got the smallest boat out here, Mike.
Probably.
Yeah, but you know what? This boat handles it, man. I like this boat.
18.5 feet, Crestliner, baby.
Crestliner, man. It did pretty good. We haven't got not even one wave in. So that's good. That's what I was a little bit afraid there, a little bit. Mike went through the middle, y'all. He went straight down through the middle.
Right? So at work, all the guys are saying, when you go, make sure not to go through the middle. Okay, so I'm thinking, okay, don't go through the bridge in the middle. All right. Well, the entire time I'm going out the bridge through the middle the entire time to get here. It's like, oh, that's what they meant.
Yeah, you roughed it out, man. But we experienced this some big waves. They call swells, but I'm gonna keep saying waves. So yeah, we hit those waves, and it was pretty epic, man. We did pretty good. The boat handled pretty well. He did really good. Yeah, he's a good captain, y'all. So yeah, stick around, see what happens, y'all. Everybody's out here right now, and it's about to get good, y'all. All right, stay tuned, y'all. Yeah, fellas, all them boats are following each other, making a trail, targeting the fish. With these all full of fish. There is fish here. We're marking them on the radar. They just ain't hungry yet. Wait till they start getting hungry, we're gonna get a bite after bite. And then it goes real quick after that. Wow, I'm excited, man. There's a lot of boats out here. I like seeing this. It's a good sign. Just a little bit cloudy, so we need a little bit of that sunlight to make those flashers shine more, make that lure shine up a little bit more. All right, trolling for a little bit. It's getting better. A lot of people are showing up right now. This is the time. Around 9 o'clock is when the good bite starts happening, all the way to 1 o'clock. See boats coming over there fast, coming this way. Damn. So this seems to be the spot right here, y'all. We're gonna follow these boats. We're gonna stay on the outside of these boats. See what happens, y'all. We got downriggers now, so we're not using no cannonballs. We're not gonna lose any of the weights. So yeah, let's see what happens, y'all. Stick around, stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Round 2 out here. All right. Yeah, fellas, I just got a dolphin right here next to us. He's following us. He's telling us where the fish are at. Yep. Said that mermaids used to use dolphins to help them hunt fish. So the mermaids and the dolphins were together hunting. So whenever there's dolphins, that's good. We hunt together. They help you out. It's a good sign. Dolphins are very smart creatures. Just seen one right now. He's following us, so that's good. We are on the right path. I'm sure he's chasing the bait too. That was cool. Yeah, I'm over here rocking. Slippery. Don't fall in the water, y'all. Where is he? Where is he? He's fast. That was cool, man. They're dark though. I don't know why these dolphins are dark. Oh, there he is. There he is right there. Watch, 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 watch. See if he comes back up. He's like right there, maybe about 50 yards. Or maybe a little more, 75 yards away. Let's see if he comes back up. He's chasing fish, he's chasing bait. The bait's right there. That's good. We're gonna come and hit a patch of bait right now. Hopefully there's some salmons here. Where are you, dolphin? Help us out. I don't know how to make dolphin noises. I know how to make a lot of animal noises, but not dolphin. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I don't know. Where is he at? I don't know. Stay tuned.
That woke me up.
Heck yeah.
That woke me up. You might be on, guys.
You feeling tension?
Yeah.
All right. Check it out, fellas.
Yeah, something small.
It's okay. 20 inches, we get to keep it.
That's a good thing.
Oh yeah. Up, pull your rod up, up, up. I don't see a fish yet. There he is. Keep her, keep her. Come on, come on, come on. Check it out, fellas. Up, up, up. Oh! Dang it. They cut the boat. It cut your line. It went straight underneath. They cut the line. You're going.
Well, that sucks about how.
Hook on. Let me see if we can show you guys live how this happens. When we see a big school of fish on the radar, that means the salmons are here. They're chasing all those fish. They're seeing all that big school of fish. Let's see what happens, y'all. See if we can land a fish right now. There's a big school of fish right underneath us. They're about 60, 70 feet down. That's what everybody does. They come out here. They chase all the bait because that's what the salmon are chasing, y'all. Okay, but let's see what happens, huh? Stay tuned. Up, 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 Mike.
All right, we're on, guys. We're on.
Yeah, fellas, check this out. Steer the boat to the left. Up, up, up. I'm gonna go that way. Go that way. That way, that way. Up. Put your rod up. Put your rod up. Rod up. Rod up. Woo. Come on, Mike. Up. Up. Keep your rod up. Yeah, fellas, look at that. Come on, turn and roll. Second hookup. Mike, go this way. Not behind the ball, remember? He's coming, he's coming. Some swim shots. Yeah, fellas. Come on, fish. You see the flashes right there? One scoop. One scoop. Go this way. This way. Yeah, he's good. He's good, he's good. See him, see him. He's good. Up, 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 up. Up, Mike. Up. Up, Mike. See him. See him, check him out, check him out. Here. Back up a little, something. Yeah, it's okay, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. A little bit higher, a little bit higher. Got him! Yeah. Fish on. Yeah, this is how we do it, y'all. Yeah, he's a keeper. Yeah, fellas, look at that. Nice. Yeah, he's a king. King salmon, let's measure him. Yeah.
What is it, 20? There's one right there.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, fellas. Check it out, check it out. This is how we do it, y'all. Oh, he's a keeper, bro. I already know.
Yeah. What you got?
22.
Above 22, right?
Yeah, he's a keeper.
Sweet.
Yeah, fellas. Fish on.
Well, guys, this is my first fish for the and this is my first salmon.
Salmon of the sea.
This is my first ever salmon.
Woo.
That
Yeah.
is badass. You good?
I'm good, man.
What happened? All good?
Yeah.
Lead locking up. Good?
Yeah. Yeah. I lost the other one, y'all. It was my fault. He swam towards me.
It's all good.
But look at this. We got him back.
We made it up.
We got him back, y'all.
We made it up.
22-inch salmon.
We got a buckle now.
Yeah, buck up, lead him. Yeah, good. Check that out, fellas. Second fish and we landed, y'all.
Yep.
How we do it.
Sweet.
King salmon, y'all.
We
Yeah.
gotta bleed him now, right?
Yeah, bleed him. No. Big patch of schools.
22, huh?
Yeah, 22. Measure him again, get an accurate size. He's 20, he's over though, he's over, he's legal. All right, so I was going towards that spot right there. Yeah, they're over there, man. I was going straight to that spot. That's what's up, Mike. He's a legal fish.
Sweet.
Yeah, fellas. That's the second one for today. See that, fellas? You gotta practice. You gotta put in your work. First one we lost it, we didn't know what the heck we were doing. Now we know. Yeah! That's what's up. Keeper on the boat.
Right there. That one was a fight.
Nice and chunky, put up a hell of a fight.
That was at 42.
42 feet. I'm riding the school of fish. You guys see that? Look at that, fellas. All that school of fish right there. Yeah, keep on fishing.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
Turn down the.
Alright, guys, we're on again. We're on again. Richie's got this one now.
Yeah, fellas. Check it out, check it out.
Did you make it 3 for today? First one we actually lost.
Come on, Mike.
Second one I was able to get.
Fish on.
Rich rod's gonna get it.
All right, come on. Might be a shaker though. Still, the fish is a fish.
I had to end up putting the rod right here.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Do the same thing.
I'm about to. It's coming. It's keeper. keeper. He's shaking, shaking. Swim, 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 swim. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, right there. There she is, highway dude, yo, look at that.
Hell yeah.
Another king salmon. Yeah.
He's a little smaller, but hey, we'll measure him right now and see what happens.
Give you guys an accurate size right now. Wow, look at that hook set, man. Yeah. What's up, man? Let's see. It might be undersized. It looks small. Hold on, Fishy. Where you going? Yeah, he's undersized. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh no.
Yeah, he's 20.
You're definitely 20.
Yeah. That barbless hook just came out.
Ah, nice. So 20.
20.
Exactly 20. Want to double check? Hold on, yeah, the nose is passing in a little bit. Where you at?
They could keep it.
Keep it?
Yeah.
Keeper?
Keeper.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, he's good. Look.
20. Look, he's past the 20 line. Hell
Yeah.
yeah. Sweet.
Another keeper. Oh yeah, he's good. Check him out.
20.
We're not gonna be doing this. So if
release him, put him back.
he's about 19 3/4, a little bit, almost 20, but we're gonna throw him back.
Yeah.
Watch this, y'all. All right, Fishy. Watch this. Catch you next time. He's gone.
There it is.
Yeah. What's up? Fish on, fish on, fish on.
Ready?
Oh, it came off. Came off. All right, let's get up. Let's get set up again. Clear. See your rag? Get the net, get the net. Pick up. He's already here, Mike. I can't. He's already here. He's right here. Mike, he's already here. Come on, Mike. He's right here. Come on, he's a keeper. He's a crumb. Get him. Get him, just get him with everything. Get him, just get the net. He's gonna go. We lost him. We lost him, Mike. Catch him. Catch him.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, you guys see that netting skills right there?
Oh my goodness.
Oh man. You popped the hook. Barbless hook, y'all.
Oh
Good?
man.
Careful your eye.
Oh.
It's on fire, y'all. Back to back.
Oh man.
Woo. That's a keeper for sure.
Wow. That was fun.
Yeah.
That was fun.
We're in gear.
Alright.
He's a keeper. Nah, he's a keeper. I can see him. Give me back my hook. Again, Mike. Do it again.
Hold on.
He's right too. Okay.
Whoa.
Got it. Got
Oh,
it. You good? I got it. Yeah, fellas. We on fire. We found the fish. Let's get back on it. Catch another one. We found the fish. Yeah, fellas. Fish on. Well, fellas, what do you guys think about that? The action picked up. We were on a roll, fish after fish. Yep. We were sweating it up, man. We started getting warm out here. We started getting good, man. We started landing fish after fish. We hooked on a fish, let one go, and another one hooked on. But yeah, just gonna see all that footage we got. So stick around. Let's see what else happens. We're on the way back out. I should have went back in, heading back towards Frisco, heading out to the Golden. Look at that, the Golden's out there, straight ahead. We're cruising about 4.5, 38 feet of water. That was pretty epic, man. We got about, what, 5 hookups?
5 hookups? Yeah, definitely. That was fun. One we lost.
Yeah.
The second one was undersized. That was at 19 3/4, almost 20.
Yeah.
We didn't keep it. We threw that back.
No, we don't want to keep that.
You caught 2 of them.
2 of them, yeah.
I caught 2, so we would have limited it out today.
Yeah.
But one was undersized, and the other one we lost.
Yeah, we lost the keeper, and the other one we just didn't want to. We didn't want to, you know, risk it. It was barely there. You could have said it was barely there, but nah, we threw it back. You see on the video, we throw it back in there. So yeah, we got to make sure we get over 20 inches on salmons. Give them a chance to grow up, you know. He's 21 and up, so that's pretty good. So we had a hell of a day, man. It was hella crazy coming out here. It was choppy. Good advice for you guys is never go down straight on out the middle of the Golden. Either coming in or going out. Never go straight out, meaning don't go straight out like all the way or in.
Past the bridge.
Past the bridge, the Golden Gate. If you're gonna go out the Golden, take a left or take a right. You pick one side. And the same thing goes out. So when you hit the ocean, when you hit open water, don't go in the middle.
We learned the hard way.
Yeah, we learned the hard way. We got some big old ways, man. I was
Live and learn.
I'm gonna be honest, I was a little nervous, man, honestly. But yeah, Ace of Spades did pretty good. We're gonna name the boat Ace of Spades. She did pretty good. She's handling the sea like nothing, y'all. As you guys can see on the videos, we're showing you how we do it. We can't say much because we're on action mode, but you see how we do it. You see how it goes. When the fish start biting, you just gotta get on it. Get on it because that's a good chance you could limit out and catch some good fish, y'all. Yeah, but stay tuned for the next adventure. We're gonna be doing some more fishing here pretty soon. So yeah, this is how we do it, y'all. If you like what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Click on the subscribing bell, that way you never miss a video. It will notify you when we post a video, y'all. It's free. It doesn't cost you nothing to subscribe. A lot of people think it's membership or something. Nah, they're just giving us support. Continue doing what we love, so we can continue doing what we like to do and show you great videos, y'all. So yeah, stick around, hang along, let's see what happens. We're on the way back out, actually way back home, going back towards the bay, and we see if we can catch a couple more fish. Most of the boats already left, so that means it's time to head out, y'all. Yep, but let's see what happens, y'all. We got a couple miles. We're maybe about, say, 5 to 10 miles out the Golden, so that's where the fish are at, y'all. So yep, stay tuned for the next adventure, y'all. I'm Rich Rock. This is Mike. Rock Burner Mike.
See you later.
Peace out. Catch you next time.